In this video, I will show you how to apply for a KFC job online no matter where you are from. So what you want to do is just open up a browser and type in KFC apply for job. And when you do that, it will show a link from KFC themselves. Now it depends on which country you are in on how exactly it looks, but for example, if you're from the US, you will see something like this where it says kfc.com careers, but the link can be slightly different if you're from another country. Now from here, just scroll down and then says browse KFC opportunities in your area. So what you want to do is first just select the position you are looking for, or if this doesn't matter to you, you can keep it to all. And then here just set your location and click submit. Then from there you will see some opportunities or jobs that are close to you, so you can see them on the map right here. Now you can also zoom out a bit and then you will also be able to find other ones. So for example, this one right here is closest to my location, so you can then just click on it, and then here you can see they have two of them, so team member and shift supervisor. So whichever one you want to do, click on apply and then continue. And then from there it will take you to the application process. Now depending on the country, again, this can be a little bit different, but from here it's now loading the application. And now just go through this, answer all the questions and add your personal info, profile photo, etc. and then click submit, and then they will reach out to you. Now you can also see more descriptions and more details about the job itself, such as requirements, skills and all of that in this section. So now you know how to apply for a KFC job online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.